Hello guys, it's Joe with another installment of Ugly HP here. Today we're going to talk about using AC Pro, one of those do-it-yourself AC charging systems, and how you might not be effectively charging your AC correctly. With this car, it's a 2011 Honda Fit. I went ahead and removed some of the Freon that was in the system already, so that way I can demonstrate not so much this filling it up, but if it's going to fill it up correctly with the right amount of Freon. Now I have this Freon that you can get down at any parts store with the little gauge connection here. You see it here. And what you need to do, or supposed to do, is you got to figure out what the ambient air temperature is, which we're looking at about like 90 degrees here, give or take. So you're going to want to put this gauge in alignment, and we're going to see if this correctly fills this or not. I'm going to go ahead and turn the car on. Put the AC on max. Now, it should stop on its own to charge the system. But one of the bad things with one of these gauges is you can't really determine exactly how much Freon you just put into the system. So you might be underdoing it or overdoing it. And if you're underdoing it, then the AC's not going to blow that cold, and you're going to be wondering, well, what's going on here? It's not working. And if you're overdoing it, yeah, it's going to blow out cold, but then you're going to run into further problems where you're messing up seals inside of the compressor, or messing up other seals along the lines of the AC system. So I want to make sure it's blowing out cold now, which it should be by what the gauge said. Which it does feel cold. Well, I think you get the gist of it. It is dropping, and it does feel cold somewhat. But alright guys, now I done recovered the AC, or the Freon, from the system with my Matco Tool 787. Shouts out to Rich, my local Matco dealer. And this system requires 14.8 ounces is the max. Yeah, 14.8 ounces is the max. And whenever I recovered it, it only has 9 ounces. So that's almost less than half of what should be in there. So like I said earlier, you can either undercharge it or overcharge it, because by what that gauge said, that it was properly charged. Now that can lead into a problem of you thinking that whenever it's not blowing out its coldest, that there's something else wrong with your AC, and you're going to be constantly wondering what's going on. So sometimes it's better just to take it to a professional, or if you have the ability to do it professionally yourself, put it on a machine, because you can get a good idea from the gauges. But if you want to be 100% accurate what you're putting in there, you must recharge it with a machine like this. Well, that's a video on that, and as always, thank you for watching, and keep on wrenching.